What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Oric Vacuum Cleaner Death. So here we go. We're going to soup up this Oric, make it to where it never runs again. Because you guys probably know where I found it at again. Here we go. So let's get you guys a good camera shot here. So as you can see, right there, that's the Oric. So I'm going to turn this on for you guys here in a second. Matter of fact, let me give you guys a preview of this vacuum here. So here we go. That's a preview of the vacuum. And like the usual vacuums I've done in the past, I'm going to do a normal test. Trying to figure out if this little piece comes off or not, but okay, so we're gonna do a normal test here. I'm gonna see if the suction comes out the front or the back here. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. Alright, I'm gonna see something here. Oh, okay. Let's see what this is for here. This is for the thing. Oh, I broke it. See right there, guys. So, let's see something. This thing don't have very much life to it, does it? It's about to fucking die. So why don't we make its life a little miserable now, guys? Why don't I punch the shaft a little hard? A little harder than usual. That's something different. Oh, you locked it up, I think. Okay, so I'm backing away from this motherfucker. Let's be on the safe side here. Okay. Turning my head. Let's see. Okay. Turn it off. Sorry, guys, I'm talking to myself. Ready? Yeah. Still fucking going, man. Still fucking going. Alright, watch out, back up. Turn. Nothing. Okay. About to make some room to get in there. Hang on. Ooh, my friend. Ooh, guys, look. Alright, watch out. Turn it. Turn. Alright, guys. Here we go. Turn. Alright. So I'm gonna say something. Die. Come on now. You can fucking die. You know why you're gonna die? You know why you're gonna die? You know why? Oh. Alright, move. Move. And move. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, unplug it. Unplug it. Oh shit. Unplug it. Oh shit. Alright guys. So I just unplugged it. Because it just fell apart. Holy shit. And that bitch is still working. I'm sorry guys, okay. So, oh man, okay, so we have here, we have a motor. Oh god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just from hitting it that many fucking times. Once again, I'm gonna say it, and I'm sorry to say it. Oh my god. Holy crap. After hitting it multiple times, this thing come out of its shell. Wow. Wow. You're gonna find out here in a second, but wow. Wow. That is fucked up. Holy fuck. One more perfectly wired. Okay. So this is some crazy shit. Some crazy shit, okay? Okay. This is some really fucked up shit. Really fucked up shit. Oh, okay. So that come off. And the motor don't spin no more. It's because it's old, guys. So check this fucking shit out. When I was beating on it earlier, it's tough for it to spin now. Yeah. So check this shit out. When I was beating on it earlier, trying to get it stop working, that's what it did. It came out. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun with this. I'm gonna have a little fun with it, and first I want to see how long my video is real quick. First,